How to trim videos on iPhone or iPad. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can trim videos on iPhone or iPad. Now it's really easy, but before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's begin. So the first step is you'll need to head over to your Photos app. After you're on your Photos app, simply select the video that you want to edit. After you select the video, on the bottom you'll find an edit option. Tap on the edit button. After you tap on the edit button, what you'll then need to do is simply start trimming. Now to trim your video, all you have to do is play around with the edges here. On the left hand side, if you want to trim the beginning of the video, you can just trim it like this. If you want to trim the end of the video, you can trim it like this. Now as you can see, the video size is decreasing by a lot. And after you're done, what you can do is you can save the video as a different clip. To do that, tap on the done button on the top right corner. And after you tap on done, you'll get two options. One is to save the video as a new clip. The other is to save the video as it is. So you can tap on whichever you want and you're good to go. And that's how you trim a video in iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.